Hey guys, it's Stephanie here with TheFlowerFanatic. I wanted to give a quick update on my waxed Amaryllis bulbs. Those little leaves, they look like leaves, but those are actually the blossoms that are starting to pop out. That one on the bottom right is taking its time. I'm learning they all have a mind of their own. Quick tip is when you're waxing them, you want to make sure it's about 120 degrees to 150 degrees so it stimulates the bulb with heat, but it doesn't burn them. Right here, I have them in soil just for aesthetic reasons. It doesn't need to be there. I just think it looks a little bit more natural and pretty. And I like three of them together. It's just a little bit more dramatic. But look at these blooms. Aren't they so beautiful? I think they have a little bit of a Japanese vibe to them. And they are very delicate and soft, and they just kind of flow. And it's such a fun surprise in wintertime and brings a lot of joy when you're stuck inside. And what's fun is I'm going to have blooms throughout the next 6 weeks because they all bloom at different times. This current one has been blooming for about a week. So they last about a week to 2 weeks. And like I said, some blooms will last longer than others. They have nice long stems and they really are low maintenance. You just leave them there and then they start to bloom. I had them in a direct facing south window. And then once they started to bloom, I moved them to indirect light so that the blooms will last longer. You can leave them in the south facing. They just might last a little bit shorter. But I'm really excited about them. I've had success on all of them. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you like this video. Comment down below if you have any other questions and hope to see you in my next videos.